Hi, and welcome to My Urban Redneck. Well, today I'm going to try to put in a well pump. This well has been here for a long time, from what I understand. My neighbor has lived here all his life. He said he was getting water from it whenever he was young, back in the 50s. And the house basically was built in 1870, so it had to be sometime around there. So guessing late 1800s, early 1900s. It's not on any map, but it's it's a well, so it's for groundwater basically. So behind me, right here, there it is. So I actually did that last year and built it up a little bit. So now just gotta put that on, and with all that. So gonna try to go through the steps, but this is my first time doing it, so we'll see if it works. I hope so. All right, stay tuned. All right, so put a top on it, and just got to take it back off. Got this so it doesn't catch all the leaves and things like that. So I'm gonna take it off, and we'll see what's down there too. All right, so I got the top off. So looks like I'm gonna have to need to reinforce it, of course, with all the rain and stuff like that. But hopefully that still works. But not sure if you can tell down there. There's the water. Supposedly it goes about, we tried to measure it last year, about maybe 20 to 30 feet. So I'm gonna get some of that pipe and put it together. Check it out. Okay, so put two 10-foot sections together, and try not to lose it down here because I want to measure it. So just gonna put it down here. Try to put this down. I don't lose my phone down there either. That would really suck. Yeah, I built all this, put the fencing there. So let's see if we can do this. 20 feet of this, huh? Okay. It's gonna be a little bit difficult. Okay. Oh, almost knocked my phone down. So let's try this. Oh, I glued it together so it doesn't come off. Okay, so whoop, I got caught on that. So still going down. So wow, you can see my hand, maybe not. Okay, see, it's still going. So it's pretty deep. So as you see, the 10-foot mark down there, because it's 10 feet. Oh, I'd say it's about maybe 7.5, 8 feet from the water line to the bottom of the well, and then another, whoops, can't even see. And then, so from the bottom there to the top, probably a good 8 feet, 9 feet. Okay, I got 30 feet right now, and I know 20 feet wasn't going to do it. So last year we measured it with the string, measured the string after we put it down there with a rock on the end, and we came up with 25 feet. So hopefully this is going to be enough. I might have to get another piece if not. All right, let's give it a try. I'm the only one here, so I got to do it myself. So we're going to see about 30 feet of tubing going down the well. It's going to be a little difficult since we got it first. All right. There we go. Well, that just broke. All right, let's try this again. Because I didn't have enough on it. All right. Whoa. All right, let's try this again. All right, only one here, so I'm gonna do it by myself. So let's give this a try. Got 30 feet of tubing, 1.25" with a foot valve on. So let's give it a try. Well, it didn't work again. So we're going to try something else here. I don't know what. All right, we're going to try take 3. Okay. So here by myself. Got 30 feet of tubing. Kept on breaking off. So we're going to try to piece it together while we're going down. Okay. Got my cement there. All right. This is going to be bad difficult. Try to set it up beforehand. Let's do this. Put a little cement on there. Can't really tell if I'm in the shot or not. Yeah, I guess I am. Okay. Got the rubber cement there, or whatever, all-purpose cement. Okay. So hopefully we can get this. Going down. Still going down. Alright. So, stopped at the ground. So, let's see. At water level, I'm guessing, is about a little longer. So that water level, I'm guessing, is about 15 to 18 feet. Just in the water level. The bottom of the PVC pipe is at the very end. And second PVC, it's about half or a little bit. Let's take a look here. Alright, so I'm not sure to tell. See if I can put the flashlight on. Nope. But it's in there. So there's that one. It's about halfway. So we're going to say it's about 15 to 18 feet. And yeah, so just got to cut a little bit off. Alright, so that's the first part of it. So we'll cut a little bit off. I'm gonna have some extra, that's good. So can attach the pump to it. But gotta go to the store and get another adapter. Okay. All right, well, catch you back here.